Hi all, I am Om. Today we will see how internet works. Let us start. In today's world, a person can live without water and food, but cannot live without internet. Sometimes you may have noticed that your friend gets faster internet connection than you. In this pandemic, we all have definitely used internet, but many of you will not know from where internet comes. You all will say it comes from satellite. You are absolutely wrong. Internet comes from the ocean. Let us see how. Including India, all the world is connected to the internet. It works via optical fiber cables which are spread all over the ocean. You can see in the picture. These are the cables used. So now you will say, what is it? I use mobile data. There is no issue comes of cable. But the tower from which you get internet is connected via these cables. Two companies come in play until you get internet. First company is Tier 1. So now you may are eager what is the Tier 1 company. This company has its optical cables spread all over the world via ocean. Internet is full free. Are you shocked by hearing this? But it's true. The internet is fully free. I will explain this point with an example. Suppose your office is 2 km away from your home. Then if you connect your PC with the PC in office via wire, then PC are connected. Say it as internet. So expenses you needed were the cost of the wire. You needed cost of the wire and maintenance of it. In the same manner, Tier 1 companies spread their optical fiber cable in the sea, due to which the whole world is connected, country to country. Now you need to divide it state to state, district to district, city to city, and to your local area. Now let's begin live demonstration. These type of cables are spread all over the world. These type of cables are used to connect all countries. These cables are called optic fiber cables or submarine cables. So the company who spreads this type of cables are called as Tier 1 company. And there are some interesting facts about submarine cable. Each cable is size of our hairs, and also each cable can conduct 100 GB per second of bandwidth. Now this is the picture of various Tier 1 companies in different countries. In India, it is Tata Communication. In this picture, you can see an website submarinecablemem.com. You can see how many cables are spread in the world. Full internet is depend on these cables. The companies who have spread this cable with their own money are called Tier 1 companies, as I have mentioned before. Now look of India. Cable landing points are Mumbai. Now all telecom networks have spread their towers. If you searched anything on internet and if its server is outside India, the data will travel via landing point, that is, suppose now in this case we will take Mumbai. So it will travel via Mumbai to the server through these submarine cables. The more traffic goes via Mumbai as more cables are connected to the Mumbai. We also have Chennai as our server and many more landing points you can see in the map. Nothing works with the help of satellite. Now let us move forward. Now in this picture you can see Geo has its own submarine cables through Asia, Africa and Europe. Geo has capacity of 40 terabits. So now you may get question whether these cables are permanent or they get damaged. You are right. These cables may break as they are in ocean. 25 years is their maximum life. Already backup cables are available for any such incidents. Now let us understand about Tier 2 companies. This company transports internet from landing point to all parts of India or any other country. This company pays Tier 1 companies for per GB. Now suppose the Tier 2 companies have paid 10 rupees per GB for Tier 1 companies. Then they will take 15 rupees or 13 rupees per GB from us. If we see all is free, only they take money of setup. Suppose there's a tower in your locality and speed of that tower is 100 Mbps and 5 users are using internet, then each will get 20 Mbps. This way it gets distributed equally. So if there are many people living in your area and using same network, then although coverage is good, you will get slow speed. This is the reason you get slow speed. So you may notice that at the night or in the early morning you get more speed as people not use internet at that time. Now let us move forward. I will tell you a simple method to find out servers of your internet and your traffic. First, you need to open command prompt in your Windows or any desktop you are using. So I have opened my command prompt. Now I will show how to check your data from where it is going. First you need to open command prompt. You need to type trace rt, TRACERT, give space and then enter the domain name. Now let us take for example Google. So I have entered trace rt space google.com. So now this process will take some time and after it is completed it will display that the process is completed. Now the message is displayed. Now let us take first IP. It is of my modem. Now let's take second IP and check it. You can see that it goes to Bhopal server of Airtel. Now let us check the third IP. It is of Delhi. So from Bhopal it went to Delhi. Now let us check the next IP. It is of California, US. So from Delhi it directly goes to US. Now let us check the next IP. I think it will be also from the US as Google has its many server. Now let us check. Yeah, it is from US only. Only the server is changed. It is transferred to the other server of Google. Now let us check the another IP. It will be of Google only, of US. Let us check. Yeah, we got it. It is also from US, only the server is changed. The last IP will be also from Google only, but it will be the final IP from which our result will be coming. Let us check what is the location of final IP. Yeah, we got that it is from US, California. This is the method to find your traffic. This is a very easy method. You can remember it and find your IP. And what is privacy? The all government is making policy to handle traffic in our own country. Suppose there is data of my Aadhaar card. So why to send that data in the other country? So there are many facilities provided by the government for management of traffic of our country in our country only. Thanks for watching.